Hi everyone! Today we're diving into a dumbbell abs and booty routine. This workout is focused on toning and burning fat. We're firing up our ab and glute muscles in just 10 minutes. Let's jump right in. We're going to start off with mountain climbers here. We're going to alternate drawing in our core and moving one leg up and then back at a time. We're going to go slow, really engaging our core, and then we're going to switch to mountain runners after 30 seconds. So get ready for the switch. Let's start with the dumbbells at our sides here. We're going to do a side lunge, moving the dumbbells towards that leg and that foot that is lunging. After 30 seconds, we are going to switch to one dumbbell, and then we're going to do a dumbbell pass.
It was something in the air tonight. It was something in the air tonight.
For this move, we're going to do flutter kicks here, making sure that we engage our core, keeping the dumbbells up. After 30 seconds, we're going to do dumbbell sit-ups with one dumbbell. Get ready for the switch. This is a combo move here. We're going to start off with a row, and then we're going to do a little hop as we push those dumbbells to the shoulders. Row, slight hop, move the dumbbells to the shoulders, and we'll keep this going. We're going to switch to another combo move after 30 seconds. We're going to switch this move up a bit, and we're going to do a squat and then push up into a shoulder press. Squat, weight on those heels, push up into shoulder press, and we're going to keep this going. going to have one dumbbell for this move, and we're going to move it to our shoulder. Our opposite arm is going to be out for balance, and we're going to do squats here. After 30 seconds, we're going to switch to the other side. We're going to keep the weights at our shoulders here, and we're going to do a diagonal squat where we kind of move to the side and forward, keeping the weight in our heels, drawing in our core as we go. After 30 seconds, we're going to switch to the other side. The secret to a good deadlift is making sure that we are hinging at the hips and not overly bending our knees. So we're going to hip hinge here, moving the weights down. Your booty should be sticking out as you do this, and we're going to keep this going. After 30 seconds, we are going to do a combo move where we do a deadlift and a dumbbell raise. All right, y'all, these are the last two moves of the workout. For this one, we're going to have one dumbbell. It's going to be at our waist, and we are going to push those hips up and then lower down, drawing in our core, squeezing those glutes. When we get to the 30-second mark, we're going to switch to a glute bridge hold and a shoulder press.
I'm feeling.
Yes, y'all, we did it. Super awesome job. To keep your abs and booty toned, you'll want to make this a weekly part of your routine. Repeat this workout at least 3 to 5 times a week. Quick break here to talk about something that's been a total game changer for me lately. If you deal with sore hands from typing, working out, or even arthritis, it's the Bob and Brad hand massager. This little device is like a spa day just for your hands. And yeah, it's as good as it sounds. It's actually become a part of my workout recovery routine. What makes it so different? It uses air compression, not those harsh rollers, so it gently mimics a real massage. There are 8 ergonomic hand cushions inside that target pressure points, boost circulation, and melt away stiffness or numbness. It's amazing for people who have carpal tunnel, arthritis, or anyone who's just overworked. You've got 3 modes to choose from: healthcare, relaxation, and activity, plus 3 intensity levels, so it's fully customizable. And get this, it heats up to a cozy temperature in just 5 seconds. That warmth on the palm and the back of your hand, instantly soothing. It's super quiet, USB-C rechargeable, and only 1.5 pounds, so you can use it anywhere: office, couch, plane, wherever. I've been using it after my workouts and it's legit helped with my hand fatigue. If you're into self-care and looking for a thoughtful gift, the Bob and Brad hand massager is a no-brainer. To get yours, check out the link in the description, and a big thanks to Bob and Brad for supporting the channel and helping us all to recover smarter. In the mood for another workout? Well, there are 2 amazing options below to keep the workout going. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future workouts. Thanks so much for working out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.